Together with your muscles, your nerves, and your skin, your skeleton gives your body that characteristic human shape. It allows you to stand on 2 feet, to leap, and to play around a flag football. Did you know that all of the cells in your body also have a skeleton all of their own? Many different types of cells have a complex called the cytoskeleton, or network of thin fibers, that can help these cells do a range of activities. Maybe a cell can't pass around a pig's skin, but it can do some equally cell-like impressive things with the help of its very own skeleton. A cytoskeleton can provide support and shape for a cell, like your skeleton supports and shapes your body. Your skeleton helps you stand, and it also helps you run. In a cell, a cytoskeleton can also anchor a cell in one place, or allow a cell to move. The bones in your arm can help you catch a football, independent from what's going on in your legs. The parts of your cell's cytoskeletons can also help structures move independently within your cells. A cytoskeleton can position cell structures in specific places within the cell, or it can move cell structures from one end of the cell to the other. A cell's cytoskeleton is comprised of 3 different types of fibers: microtubules, intermediate filaments, and microfilaments. Microtubules are the largest fibers of the cytoskeleton, with a 25 nanometer diameter. They are composed of 2 different proteins called alpha and beta tubulin. One dimer of tubulin contains 1 alpha subunit and 1 beta subunit. A microtubule is made up of many, many tubulin dimers. These dimers form long chains of alpha and beta tubulin. 13 chains of tubulin dimers make up 1 microtubule. The chains form a hollow tube, which is where microtubules get their name. They look like a paper towel roll. Each end of a microtubule is referred to as the plus end or the minus end, and each microtubule is dynamic, meaning it can grow and it can shrink by adding or subtracting dimers, usually to the plus end. Microtubules function to support the cell shape, but they also help cell division. Microtubules can be used like train tracks in the cell, along which vesicles and structures can be transported by riding across them. A 4th important function of microtubules is in cell movement. Some cells have flagella and cilia made of microtubules. Flagella are long snake-like whips that drive cell movement. Sperm cells are an example of cells that have flagella, which allows them to swim. And cilia are multiple short hair-like structures that beat to move liquid around a cell. Cilia are found in the cells that line your respiratory tract, where they rhythmically beat to help you move mucus when you're sick. Both flagella and cilia are made with microtubule structures surrounded by a plasma membrane.